Okay, so the Eccentric. It's made out of steel. I'm going to do most of it in the mill, touch it up in the lathe, do that little raised boss, part it off, and then go back to the mill and we'll finish it up with the set screw hole. So let's head over to the milling machine and show you what I got happening. Alright, so as you can see, I already started. Got a piece of 1-inch round stock set up in the mill. It's secured with a V-block. I went ahead and centered it in the Y and the X axis already. So right now the spindle is on the center of the piece. Again, we'll work from the center for all the dimensions. So there's 4 holes we got to drill, and then afterwards we'll got to drill the hole for the set screw. So, but we're going to concentrate on the 4 holes in here now. 3 of them are 1/4 inch diameter. One is a 9/32, and so this is already zeroed out. I zeroed out my digital readout, and that's what I'll be working off of. So let me get this out of here, and I've got a center drill, so we'll get started. Okay, so the first hole we have to make is in the center in the x-axis, and we got to step back 1/8 of an inch, which is 125. That'll be the first hole, and I got to go down a total. The overall finished thickness of this Eccentric is 9/16, so I'll go down a little bit past that. So when we part it off, we'll make sure that that the holes go all the way through. So let's start. Got a center drill in there as always, and okay, so a 1/4 inch drill bit, and so we have somebody supervising the operation. We're going to go down 9/16. So I got the quill readout set, and let's hope this goes well. It's awfully close to the edge of that. So. Okay, that went, that was pretty uneventful. And get the other one drilled. .36 3125 on the other side of the world there. Okay. Alright, I'll get those other holes drilled, and I'll bring you back when we're over by the lathe. So, got the piece offset in the 4-jaw chuck. It's centered around that that hole that's closest to the center, and as you can see, we're within about half a thou, maybe not even. So so now we got to turn the boss down around that center, and that'll be ½ inch diameter, and we got to go in 3/16 of an inch. So just we'll do that with a regular turning tool, and we'll get started. Let me get this out of the way. Okay, so we're going to have an interrupted cut for a while, so we'll just take our time, and hopefully all goes well. Alright, so far I took off 50 thousandths. I'm taking about 3 thousandths each cut, depth of cut. As you can see, it's going to be interrupted not only from the eccentric, but as it breaks into these holes as well. So I'll just take my time picking at that, and I'll bring you back when we're getting close. Okay, so we're actually cutting a continuous cut now, and so it's we're shooting for 500 thousandths, and right now I got 532. 532. Let's see. Hold on. Let's get a better. Can't see what I'm doing here. And 527. I'm getting 527, so we got to take another 13. We got to go in another 13. That'll give us 26 thou. So let's get this going here. Zero this out, and 13. I'll take it in 2 cuts. Okay, let's see what we got here. 501. I'll take that. Okay, so next step is I'm going to hit this edge with a file a little bit, just take that little bit of a burr off, and we'll part that off. Alright, talk about potential for something to go wrong. So here we go, we got to part this off. That's going to be fun. And like I did before, I'll just take my time, and hopefully all go well. Somebody's keeping a careful eye on this here, so I think I'm going to change my plan, and I'm going to cut that off in the bandsaw, and then I could just face it off to length. So sorry, Frank, you're not going to get the last laugh on me today. Alright, so that's the completed part. The eccentric is done. So it's made out of steel. Got a 440 set screw in there. And all in all, I think it came out pretty well. Alright, we'll hopefully I'll see you back here with the next part. Don't know what that will be yet, but I'm sure we'll find something to make. So, thanks for watching, and hope everyone's enjoying this series.